Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today we will be unboxing Thursday boots. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love Thursday boots. I think their boots are very comfortable and stylish. Their customer service is super friendly, helpful, responsive. They're just on point. Thursday Boots has a big, diverse variety of shoes. They have mock toe boots, Chelsea boots, dress shoes. They have boating shoes, sneakers, and not only do they have shoes and boots, they even have wallets, belts, and even leather jackets. If you guys know me, I absolutely love leather jackets, and that's why today we will be unboxing the Black Matte Racer jacket. I've been eyeing this jacket for a while now. However, I haven't seen any YouTube review videos of the Black Matte Racer, and that's why today we'll be unboxing it and I'll be giving you my first impressions. However, before we unbox this, like always, if you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a like. I'd really appreciate it. But let's go ahead and unbox the Black Matte Racer jacket by Thursday Boots. First off, we'll quickly talk about the packaging. A very standard packaging, just a normal box. There's no Thursday stickers on these at all. All right, nothing, just a normal box with my address here. So enough with the box, but let's go ahead and see what the whole unboxing experience is like. Got my unboxing scissors. We'll get this side. Don't want to hurt myself. All right. And over here. All right, let me give you guys the first look. After you unbox it, what does it look like? Ooh, so you get this nice paper over here, and up top here, there's a sticker that just says Thursday Boot. It's all packaged very nice and neatly. All right, let's go ahead and take this out and see what the jacket looks like. Oh, I ripped it. This looks like. Guess we undo the sticker. Kind of ripped it already. All right. Look at that. So this is what the jacket comes in. Ooh, it even comes with a coat hanger, which is really nice because sometimes these leather jackets are heavy, so your normal coat hanger won't be able to hold leather jackets. So it's nice that they give you a Thursday coat hanger made out of wood. Looks like it's good quality. It's nice and tidy. Look at this. All packaged really well. Let's go ahead and take this out of its packaging. How do we do this? Alright, taking it out. Ooh. 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 I gotta say, first look, this looks really cool. It's kind of hard for you guys to see, but the matte black is really nice. Really soft material. Look at that. This is the jacket. First impression, looks very good. Loving the details. Like I said, it comes with this tag that says Thursday on it. Let me see it. Nice tag. On the tag it says Thursday products are handcrafted in small batches only, using only the highest quality materials. Natural color, texture variation will occur. This is what makes the materials we use and the products we design both distinct and beautiful. And it says quality guaranteed by, and someone signs it here, right? So really nice touch with this card. Let me try the zippers. The zipper is so nice and smooth. And look at the buttons. All right. Like I said, I absolutely think this material is really soft. However, there's one thing I'm a little bit confused about. I'm not too sure what leather this racer jacket is in, because if you go onto the website and look at other racer jackets in different colors, they all say premium lambskin, premium lambskin, premium lambskin. As soon as you go to the Black Matte Racer jacket, it said rugged and resilient. I'm like, what? How come it's not premium lambskin? What does rugged and resilience mean? What kind of leather is that? I'm not too sure, so that's one detail about the material they use I'm a little bit confused about. So Kendra, if you're watching, I'd really appreciate it if you can help all of us, you know, give us some insight to what leather this jacket is actually used. But other than that, like I said, I really like the hardware as well. The zipper is really nice. One reason why I chose Racer Jacket from Thursday is I really like the simplistic style, and I definitely like the matte black color, and I love how the zipper is also black, because I've looked at a lot of other Racer Jackets from other different brands. The black is not like a matte black, it's like a shiny black, and then the zipper is silver, which makes it very, it stands out a lot. But with this jacket from Thursday, I definitely like the matte black. It's not shiny at all. And then the zippers are also black, so it just kind of blends in with this whole piece. For me, I got a size L, a size large, and I've been reading on the reviews that a lot of people have trouble with the sizing with the jackets from Thursday Boots. I am 5'8", 180 pounds, and I got a size large. Usually I'm a medium, but from all the reviews I read, it told me to go size up, size up. People had to return their orders. I didn't want to get a medium like I usually do and then find out it was too snug and small, so I just got a large already. But we'll test it out and see if sizing up is actually a good idea. But like I said, so far, really impressed. Definitely love this touch of having a hanger. Like I said, a nice wooden hanger. Sometimes the hanger you have at home is not strong enough, so having this is really nice. Button snaps over here, really cool. Button snaps up top, and on the inside it says Thursday, beautiful stitching. I'll give you guys a close-up look later. See the interior, okay. It's not a bad interior, it's just polyester. A lot of people has been saying that they don't like the polyester lining, but I don't think it's that bad. It's not the fanciest material that they could have used, but for this price point, it's not bad at all. So this jacket is $349. However, you won't be paying $349 because that is not including tax. After tax and everything, this jacket comes out to $367. But still, for a racer jacket with this quality, with this zipper and the leather and everything you're getting, is still a really good deal. So $367 for this jacket. Let's go ahead and put this on and see how the sizing fit. Like I said, I'm 5'8", 180 pounds. Usually I wear a medium, but this time I opted out for the large just because everyone suggested to go up in size. So let me put this on and see how it fits, all right? I think it fits pretty well. I think I definitely agree that the large is a good size for me. When I go like this, it's definitely a little bit tight over here. Hopefully it'll wear in as I wear it more often. Definitely tight around the armholes. But the length is one thing I'm really happy about. You can see, holding it out. It's not too long, not too short. It's perfect length up to my arms right here. I think it looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? I actually really like the sizing. I highly recommend, like everyone says in the reviews, go up in size. If you're a medium or if you're in between sizes, just go up like me. Usually I wear a medium, but I'm a little heavier, more athletic build, or I would like to think. That's why I chose the large size. Let me zip it up. Test the zippers. Alright, let's test the zippers, see how easy the zip up is. Ooh, very nice and smooth. Alright, so far really like it. Alright, my batteries are dying, it's flashing, it's yelling at me. But that's gonna be it for this unboxing and first impression. Like I said, I'm really impressed with this jacket. I just don't know what kind of leather this racer jacket is just as rugged and resilient, but not bad overall. Sizing is definitely go up in size. Style is exactly what I like. I really like this simplistic look. But if you guys have any questions, be sure to leave it down below. And if you were to get a leather jacket from Thursday Boot, which one would you get? Be sure to leave it down in the comments and we'll get back to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be making a full-on review video after I've worn this jacket for a while and put it through its trials and its paces, see how it holds up. Like I said, first impression, definitely like it. Love the interior pockets, love the simplistic style. The zippers are just so nice with the black, it just blends in. I like that it's not silver. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!